Just look at the shocking result after 10 minutes of using my facial kit. Look at that smiled line and look at the other side. Look how lifted her cheeks look and how tight it looks on this side. Let's look at my 91-year-old dad. The result is more visible on his skin. Look at this 2 weeks after. Skin looks more glowy than a 21-year-old. Let me show you how to use this kit. Comes in silver or black machine. Make sure to charge fully before using. We're going to start with one side of the face at a time and you only need a few drops. I like to really focus on the smiled line. Around the cheek and the smiled line, I like to leave it at high setting. If you've been drinking the night before, you're probably going to look very swollen. We're going to drain all the liquid toxin down the lymphatic drainage. After 35, you start seeing that double chin. So really focus underneath so that the fat buildup right there, you want to just massage that out. I love this Beauty by Joseon eye cream. It really reduced the appearance of fine lines under my eyes. After a week use, I can really see the difference. This machine will help to penetrate the product deeper into the skin. Make sure not to do any dragging motion under the eyes because your skin is very delicate and thin. If you have fat buildup or puffiness under the eyes, continue this exercise consistently with eye cream. I promise you will notice the shocking results after just the first use. To restart the machine, you just have to press it 5 times really quick and then hold it down on the 5th or 6th time. We're going to finish off with the Tartar Glow Ampoule and we're going to use this machine to really help penetrate the product. Now let's compare. Look at the area right here on the smiled line that I really concentrate on, and look at this side right here. It's like 2 different person. He lost 10 years on one side of his face. It's best to do this exercise in the morning while you have your coffee so that you can look fresh and awake before getting out of the house. I also like to do this exercise after a long day of work to relax my facial muscle, or when I just get out of the shower while my pores is open. I like to just do this exercise to really help penetrate the serums into the skin. Cover your nose when working around the sinus area because it gets really tickly. Around the forehead and the eyes area, you want to turn the machine down to low, and I'm just going to iron out all that wrinkles on the forehead with the machine. Look at how I revived his skin. It came back to life. He's so glowy, dewy, and youthful looking. Look at that. That is a real result for you. Now that's a glow up. I should say this is a 91-year-old glow up.